Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and how to hard reset this phone with the key combination. It's quite nice phone with the S Pen. So this one was a very famous model, slightly old now but still in the market. As you can see, the S Pen works very well on this phone. But let's get it started. We're gonna hard reset this phone. How to do that? We need to have a USB cable connected to this PC. So I'm gonna use this USB cable which is connected to my laptop. So insert the cable, press power button and the side button and the volume down button together just to get into the recovery. Keep holding the buttons. When the phone goes off, quickly switch from volume down to volume up. And leave the power button. As you see the Samsung logo, and that's how we get into the recovery. As you can see, we have enter into the recovery. So from here we can go and wipe factory data reset. You can press this power button. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 have a power button on the left hand side. So we're gonna choose factory data, wipe factory data reset, choose it, and that's it. The phone is done. So we're just gonna press power button again to restart the phone. It will take a while. Okay, here we go. So you can start from here. And that's it. That's how you hard reset Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's an easy method to do that, and please keep that in mind that it will delete everything from your phone and before you perform this. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.